Hello and welcome back to the IsoTek Academy. Today it's all about the new already award-winning V5 Aquarius. The Evo 3 Aquarius was one of the most cost-effective power cleaning upgrades money could buy. The new V5 model takes this concept to a higher level. There's greater on-tap instant power, an increased 35% circuit board copper loading, 25% improved direct current resistance, which moves us closer to the 0 ohms ideal. Instantaneous protection is also increased to 81,000 amperes. V5 Aquarius redefines expectations. 2 high current outlets are provided for amplifiers, subwoofers and other high current devices. 4 medium current outlets are for lower power source components. Each outlet has its own dedicated power cleaning network. This means 6 power cleaners in one box. On the back panel between the high and medium current outlets is an auxiliary system link, so you can easily connect other IsoTek products together whilst maintaining star grounding. It is a 16 ampere design, that's 3680 watts. This means you can power a full audio or video system with no restriction on immediate power needs. The new V5 Aquarius will give you a full system upgrade, improving every connected audio or video product you own. So what does the press think about the new V5 Aquarius? For more information about the new V5 Aquarius or any other IsoTek models, please visit our website. Address is showing to the left. If you liked the video, please share and hit the subscribe button to enjoy more IsoTek videos. Thank you for watching.